If you've had your iPhone long enough, you probably recognize that the iPhone keyboard kind of sucks. Compared to Android, which works a lot better, the iPhone keyboard a lot of times is lagging, or it will press letters that you don't actually press, or maybe even when you tap a letter, it doesn't actually register that as a tap or says some other letter or word. There are tons of issues with it, but there are steps that you can take to get those fixed, and I'm going to walk you through all of it. So if we open up, for instance, the Notes app here, you'll be able to see sometimes the issue is when you press on a letter, and if you lift your finger up or slide it a little bit, it will use the slide to text, and it will just guess or estimate what you wanted to type. Or sometimes if you press and hold on something for a bit, it will say a different letter. So if you press and hold on something, and then if you slide up, again, a different letter will pop up. Or another thing is if you're just typing in fast, you'll be able to see sometimes it doesn't register exactly what you're typing. Or the predictive text at the top, you accidentally hit that, and then it's annoying because you didn't mean to type one of those words and it just pops up. I'm going to help you fix all of those. The first thing we're going to do is hop out of here and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Oh, let me go back so you know how to get there. From the beginning of your settings, tap on General at the bottom. Scroll down and tap on Keyboard midway down. Now, the first thing I want to walk you through is a lot of times this predictive text, in addition to slide to type, are issues. So you can see predictive text. If I turn this off, I'll show you what it does. It removes the words right above the keyboard that predict what you might want to say. Sometimes this is helpful, but for me, I would rather just type it out, and it always seems to get it wrong what I want to type next. The next thing is we could choose to turn off whether that slide to type or slide to text basically is turned on or off. So some people really like this and use it. However, in my case, I usually just individually tap on letters that I wanted to type. So if you want to, you can turn off slide to type. And this helps a lot of issues with your iPhone, but it doesn't fix everything. So the next thing that we're going to do is tap the back arrow and then scroll up. Still within the general section, we're going to go to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset here, and then choose to reset the keyboard dictionary. Just enter in the passcode for your phone. By resetting that keyboard dictionary, a lot of times it fixes bugs and glitches as well. However, there are other things we can do to help fix it. Let's tap the back arrow and then go back to keyboard. On here, tap on keyboards at the top, and I would recommend deleting out any of these keyboards by just swiping to left and deleting them, and then just tapping add new keyboard, and then add that keyboard back in on your iPhone. So essentially delete it and add it back in a lot of times fixes issues. However, let's hit the back arrow, back, and then go down to the bottom. Another cool option that you have instead of typing, if typing still is an issue for you, is to turn on Enable Dictation and turn on Auto Punctuation as well. I'll show you how this works. If you're typing something, you'll see a little microphone at the bottom right. And now it does a really good job because I can just tap on it and start talking, and it will immediately transcribe my voice into text, and you'll be able to see it does a great job doing exactly that. Now I can tap the little microphone again when I'm done, and you can see it basically does a perfect job. Sometimes it has issues with punctuation, where to have commas, where to have periods, etc. But sometimes you need to go back in and edit those. Almost always it does a good job right off the bat. Now, if it's still causing issues for you, the last thing we can do is a hard reset on your iPhone. So to do that, you're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how to do that. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. So keep holding it even though it says slide to power off, and just wait until that iPhone screen goes completely black and then an Apple logo appears. When that Apple logo appears, we will be able to lift our finger, just like that, and you've done a force restart on that iPhone. Again, fixing tons of bugs and glitches on your iPhone keyboard. If you're still having issues and you still just don't like this, keep in mind you can always go to the App Store and download a third-party Google keyboard app or a third-party Microsoft keyboard app, and those work really well as well. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that too. And thanks for watching.